Google can be a great help in finding something you need. However, sometimes it can work against you. So let's take a look into things you should never Google. Number 10. Your symptoms. First of all, let's talk about your health problems. There are many websites that specialize in such content, and of course, most of them are not managed by medical professionals. Looking up the meaning of your symptoms on the internet will definitely not help you. Quite and reverse, it will make you feel worse and panic. If you have any kind of health issues, don't ask Dr. Google. Schedule and visit a real doctor instead. Number 9. Anything criminal. Okay, this one is serious. You may try to look up things like how to make a bomb or how to make amphetamines of pure interest. However, keep in mind that security and drug control services always track this kind of searches, and your IP address can appear in such a database. You don't want to get in trouble because of this, because of your curiosity, right? Do you? Number 8. Cancer. This is the care where the less you know, the better you sleep. There are so many types of this disease, and most of them occur with symptoms that could be very common for many other harmless conditions. Most people experience such things as dizziness, weakness, nausea, etc. So you will probably mistake something else for cancer and start panicking. So always remember. Number 7. Bed bug infestations. You have probably heard about these little monsters, especially from any kind of hotel review, and maybe some of you have experienced their harm on your skin. But have you ever thought what bed bug infestations look like? If you want to continue sleeping at night, you won't look it up. Please don't. Number 6. Skin conditions. There are many diseases connected with the skin, and most of them look really bad. For some reasons, you can find in online images of almost all of them. However, it's much better to stay ignorant in this case, because this kind of content can be extremely disturbing. Please do not look up genital infections either. 5. Smoker's lung. Many of us smoke, and from time to time we think about the harm smoking does, especially to our lungs. The web is full of images of the abnormal lungs of heavy smokers, which you could possibly take too seriously and freak out. You can, of course, try googling this if you need a strong motivation for quitting, but it's better not to do, I think. Number 4. Dangerous animals. Please stay away from such a list of unless you want to acquire new phobias. There are a lot of really terrifying animals on our planet, and some of them will probably turn out to be in your region. Moreover, such a phobia may discourage you from traveling. You don't want to let that happen, right? Number 3. Your name.
My name?
Yes, your name.
My name na Ovuvwe Enyetuenwe Ugbemugwem Osas.
Pardon? Come again.
Ovuvwe Enyetu.
It's not a big secret that in the era of internet, our privacy is greatly questioned. If you try to Google your name, most probably you will stumble upon some unpleasant results, bad photos of you, outdated information, irrelevant content. We take such things too seriously. If you find something you like this, you'll want to delete it all. However, that's not a simple thing to do. Maybe we should take it easy or simply don't Google it. Number 2. Blackhead removal. Well, this is one of a bit different. It will definitely not scare you or get you in trouble, but will take up all your time. You won't able to stop. It's so weird that blackhead removal causes such visual satisfaction for many, but it sure does. So we advise you to stay away from this. Number 1. Giving birth. We have all seen those scenes in movies, woman yelling loudly, doctor trying to calm them down. It looks really stressful, even in a movie. However, the real process of giving birth is 100 times more disturbing. It's especially dangerous for women to watch and may even discourage them from having children at all. So don't even try to search this. This goes for Khazarians as well. So that is a wrap on today's video, guys. If you like it, you know what to do. Share it with your friends. Like, share and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching it.